Kakase Students Union KSU Upper Shillong Batlaban Circle hakasi palay jong katayo kalalit kang kerdap yakikato ka ni kijingtay kibalatay bian hamahadev kola bat kaladawa na kibuwa sorkar pakideban kendang no mardori kibriyo kibasa bian hakatay kajaka.
Kinoilam bagi dekat Kakasi Students Union kilalit benjurip kena kajaka bat haba kila syam keladon kijingshna kijingtay kibabian hapo kamahadev kola kepada kajaka maneblay. Kinoilam ke KSU kila penpau bakim don ya kanu kijing persya jong kijing don jong ne temple ne kajaka mania. Ndrai ke kebeksung persya bha kadai halor kijing don jong kijingtay boper po kapelau jong ne kajaka mania bagadir kijing ne persya nomor bakatanat forest kala jing betang manchna ke temple om manchna pat ikibe kijingtay. Ki dekat ke KSU kilayok ben prano ki kat tu kene kijingtai giblatai bian ndrai lapan sange no yaki bania chakmat da kijingwan poi gibor kulit kibala khangla ki dekat ke KSU ban pen prai kene kijingtai. Unailam ke KSU Ruben Najar ulong bakaseng keladak ban shimkya hagisnam arhajar arpulai. Bat kibor gibedi kmi bat kilayok kijingkular ban IT ke kai pot apolai benai. Ndrai keladon pat kijing beteng mantai kijingtai boper kene kejaka. Uladawa ni bor sarkar bagi di ban pemlong ya kijing kendra bat ban kang marro de kijing tai kibla shushna bean bat ban kendang ya kiriu shimet kibasa bean ya kene kejaka klam dadon ya kino ikot kisla kibabiang
kendo yu kisya ada apply nak faham manda ASEAN bu alor baka ado inspection to report marketing ini jadi to hal ka bala ay ban yam ritang balsna commander ko hindi ban ini kata dengan tu bahang depan permission ni ni balsna itu kata tu mari kalau ekspor itu minta untuk ini ya sih sektor ini construction ini adalah budaya besar itu itu section jadi in the meantime nah kalau resolution tertentu yang orang ada itu ada application labung application ada minister level pun ada kalau resolution ini ada institution tu mereka ini juga ini pada institution kemudian came here today to inspect this area. This is not a new issue, but this has been a pending issue. The union in the year 2023 has come and inspect this area based on the documents that our RTI findings that we have found out that this area in the year 1929 a lease has been given by the forest department to such person to construct a mandir. We have no objection towards the construction of mandir, but as per the agreement that is available with us, the permission that has been granted was only for construction of mandir, but not for any other houses. But as we see now, there are around 30 houses. There are also hotels and ashrams which has been constructed, and these are all illegals because as per the agreement, there's no such agreement on that regard. So in the year 2023, we had a joint inspection from the forest department, from the district administration, and the members of the Kakasi Students Union, and we have inspected these areas, and we have put all our petition towards to them, and they said that they will have a report within 3 months. Now from 2023, it has been 2025. At that point of time, also there were many illegal houses that have been constructed along the ways, and then we have demolished all those. But now what we have seen is that after 2 years, we have seen another construction, and these are all RCC building constructions. So from the district administration and the forest department, they have not paid any heed to our petition, and neither they have submitted any report to us regarding the status of this area. So today we came here to inspect this area again, and as a mark of our protest, we have shut down all these illegal construction, these illegal houses which has been constructed newly, and this is just a start. We will not stop here. We want that all these people who are staying here illegally must be evicted by the government, and no shelter must be given out here, because this area does not fall under any jurisdiction from both the Dorbars of Loston and the Pushilong Dorbar also. They are not claiming this area. So how can people from these areas apply for EPIC card, Russian card, when there is no legitimate authority to verify them? whether they are genuine citizens of Meghalaya or not. How can they get? How can they avail benefits like ration card and everything when they are staying illegally? We have had a talk with the Darabashram. The Darabashram of Lostun said that perhaps maybe they, by themselves, they go to the DC office and they apply for EPIC, and there are some people who already have the EPIC who support them in that manner, and that's how they are able to avail their EPIC cards. So we will also put a strong objection to such kind of practices to the DCs. But as of now, we would like to send a strong message to the government of Meghalaya. We have seen various ministers have given their statement stating that there is no influx. But as you see, this is the area of influx. So we urge the district administration to take appropriate action, or else we will take necessary action. Okay. That's what we have already asked the government. How many people are staying here illegally? As per our records and as per our data, there are around 30 to 40 houses, which include around 120 to 150 people staying here illegally. But we cannot, because we are not an official body, so we cannot verify that. It is the authorities who will verify all that. And how they got all these documents also is for them to verify all that.